Another formula that's really useful when you're working with linear equations is this point-slope formula. Sometimes you may know a single point and the slope of the line, but that's all you know. You can actually use this formula in order to figure out the y equals mx plus b to be able to graph your equation with knowing that little of the information that's available. The y minus y1, of course that's taken from the ordered pair. This is our y1 and this is our x1. And those values would fit in this position and this position in the formula. If the slope is given to you, obviously 2 would be the m. If the slope is not given to you, then you would need another point. You'd need 2 points, and then you would use the slope formula that we did before, where we take the 2 ordered pairs, figure out the slope, and after that calculation, that would be plugged into the m. So this is how this formula works. Our x and our y1s are the ordered pair. So we're going to do y minus our y value is 5 equals the slope value is 2 times the quantity x minus, we're ready to put in the negative 3. This negative is in the formula. So when we plug in the negative number, we're going to have to isolate that so we don't get confused. Now we've got sine. We're going to need to clean that up a bit. So again, this part would be a copy job. And now let's do something with this. Are the signs the same? Yes, that's a positive answer. That turns that 3 positive. From here, we would do y minus 5. Now we're going to distribute. This is all order of operations. If you're confused about the order of operations, you can go back and watch some of those order of operations videos. And then this one, where we have plus 6. Okay, at this point, we're now ready to try to get our formula into y equals mx plus b. This is the one that we actually want. So in that case, we would need to move off the negative 5 because here's the wall, and the y needs to be by itself. So we'll add 5 to both sides. Over here, we're just going to add it to the constant because that's the same. These are similar values. Y is equal to 2x plus 11. And now we have our formula in y equals mx plus b. So we've got our y-intercept, and we have our slope. All right, we can plot our 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's where it crosses the y-axis. And our slope then would be up 2 over 1. So we are going to go 1, 2, and then over 1. From here, 1, 2, over 1. From here, 1, 2, over 1. Now we also know that we have to get point negative 3, 5 into this. And that would be 1, 2, 3, and then 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's a point. And if we draw our line, we do catch that first point that they told us about. That's on the line. Point slope formula allows us to take just a little bit of information, 1 point and the slope, and turn it back into a graphable entity.